This is my delicious raspberry rainbow swirl. So long.
We gotta get our Trix yogurt back.
Whoa! At last, now I have the Trix yogurt.
Two-color swirl. Trix yogurt is for kids. Whoa!
Do you want to be a kung fu master? You can.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kentucky Police Department. There has been an accident involving the Ghent power plant. Large amounts of hazardous materials have leaked into the atmosphere. Anyone at least 50 miles near the Ghent power plant need to evacuate immediately. If you do not evacuate, you may be killed as the materials leaked have been considered extremely dangerous. If you aren't at least 50 miles from the Ghent power plant, ignore this message. Bring the following supplies: food, water, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Tune into news outlets for further information.
Hey kids,